Hi everyone. If you're a small investor looking for cheap crypto coins under $1, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll explore 3 altcoins that have real potential and are still under $1. These coins could grow in the future, and smart investors are starting to notice them. Stick around till the end, and also check out my previous video on 3 cheap coins under $1. I'll link it here. Let's start. Coin number 1, Phantom. FTM. Phantom is a fast and scalable blockchain that focuses on smart contracts. Its network allows developers to build decentralized apps that run quickly and with very low fees. FTM is still priced under $1, making it perfect for small investors. With a growing ecosystem and partnerships with DeFi projects, Phantom has the potential to gain more adoption in the coming years. Many investors are watching it closely, and it could be a hidden gem for those looking to start small in crypto. Coin number 2, IOTX. IOTX. IOTX is a blockchain designed for the Internet of Things, IoT. It connects smart devices to blockchain technology, allowing secure and efficient data sharing. IOTX is cheap and still under $1, which makes it accessible for small investors. The project has a strong development team and real-world applications, from smart homes to wearable devices. Its focus on privacy and scalability gives it a unique place in the crypto market, making it one to watch closely in 2025. Coin number 3, Verge. XVG. Verge is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that allows fast and secure transactions worldwide. XVG is still very cheap, which makes it great for small investors wanting to explore privacy coins. Verge has partnerships with payment platforms and a loyal community supporting its growth. Its low price, combined with potential adoption in real-world transactions, makes XVG an interesting choice for those looking to invest smartly without spending much. Those are the best 3 altcoins for small investors under $1. If you're interested in cheap crypto with growth potential, these coins are worth keeping an eye on. Don't forget to check out my previous video on hidden cheap coins under $1. It's linked here and could help you discover more opportunities. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency is risky, and prices can go up or down. Always do your own research before investing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.